I took it, they asking me who would've thought. I did. Keeping it humble in person, like, oh my god, I can't believe it. Okay, I'm lying, straight to the
big shout out to the one and only Frisian YT. If you guys don't know who he is, check out his page right here. Pretty much he's letting me, well, not letting me, I kind of forced him to let me use it today for this video. So Frisian, if you're watching this, thank you very much for letting me use it. If you guys didn't know already, Frisian actually crushed his R6 maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and now he's upgraded to this R3, which he's letting me use today. So thanks again, Frisian. To start things off with, he's running a full system Aprokovich exhaust. Also on top of that, this bike has been dyno tuned. Not sure what it's pushing, but if you guys are interested or want to know, shoot him a DM on Instagram. I'm sure he'll be more than happy to tell you guys. This is a 2020 or 2016, I don't know. It's like it's a 2016 above. I don't know which year model. I should have asked, I'm sorry guys, but it's an R6. Okay, so yeah, he's got the beautiful tail tidy going on the back, super clean. It's got a factory upshift, but not a blimper. So if you guys don't know what a blimper is, it's pretty much shifting down without using the clutch. So it's a pretty cool feature my bike has, but unfortunately this one doesn't. I think that is an aftermarket feature you will have to get installed if you do want that. If this was my bike, the only things I would change is getting rid of these big ass mirrors, chucking on Rizomas. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of Rizomas, but I'm a fan of Rizomas. All right, I know they're a bit pricey, but you know, if you got the money laying there, why not? You know what I mean? I'd also run the lever guards that hang off here. I've got them on my S1000. They just give the bike more of an aggressive look, and they also help in case you do accidentally tap the front brake on like another motorcycle. So that's why the lever guards are there to prevent that. And if you do crash, the lever guards will take the hit. And we can't forget about these Frisian I don't know what these are. Fuck, I'm a shit friend. Well, yes, Frisian is actually selling these. If you guys are interested, shoot him a DM on Instagram. They're little socks that sit over your I'm so retarded. I don't even know. What? Alright guys, if you guys want these, shoot him a DM, okay? I'm tired. I'm stupid. I know you guys want to hear a sound test, right? Y'all want to hear a sound test. Alright, I'm gonna give you a sound test real quick. Might be a bit hard because it is a bit windy today, but it also is a very, very beautiful day today in Brisbane. So I'm not too sure how the mic will handle, but it should be able to pick that up still. Okay, so let's get a sound test going. So this is the dash, everyone. All right, this is the beautiful dash, the old school dash, the dash that Yamaha haven't changed for fuck knows how long, but that's okay. So yeah, let's do a sound test. That sounds fucking crazy, bro. Okay, let's ride. So off the bat, seating position. The seating position on this is super aggressive, and you're so more like lean down, if that makes any sense. Compare it to my S1000. Like the S1000's a lot more upright. If you guys have ever had the opportunity or do have the opportunity to go sit on a BMW S1000 RR, I highly recommend it, because you will realize like how much more comfortable that is. People assume my bike's really like uncomfortable and stuff, but it's really not. But yeah, sitting position on this, super aggressive. I'm not too sure how long I could sit in this position for. I don't know if you guys can hear, but the quick shifter on this sounds so crispy, sounds so good and snappy. Like, I don't know, it just sounds so good. I don't know why my bike doesn't do this, man. Like, each time I'm shifting on my bike, it's so smooth. Like, on this R6, it's snappy. It goes like, dang, dang, dang. You know what I mean? Just listen to this, guys. Woo! Oh, the fucking exhaust sounds so good. Oh, my balls! Oh! Even just going on the throttle sounds so nice. Like, wow, bro. Downshift sounds good. having a liter bike is cool and all, but like, when are you realistically gonna have to use the entire 200 horsepower that you get on like a liter bike, right? Whereas a 600, you can actually enjoy the power this thing offers you, like on the road and stuff. Unless you're going on track with a liter bike, that's fair enough. You actually enjoy the power there. But like, I daily my S1000, like, having the 200 horsepower there is like nice and all, but like realistically it's not necessary at all. I'm not too sure what's going on with the dash system because it's quite old. I don't know if Yamaha has ever updated that. Huh? Oh, thought they were talking to me. Yeah, I'm not too sure if Yamaha has ever updated the dash system. Bro, I'm pretty sure my CBR 650R had a better dash system than that. Like, come on, bro. And the bike also doesn't come with a factory launch control, pit limiter, or grip heaters, or cruise control. What the fuck is that? I don't know if I'd ever get that rap, but yeah, anyways, whatever makes you happy, man. Yeah, all those features, I think you'd have to get that done somewhere else, because they're all aftermarket features. You rarely ever need the fucking grip heaters. I'm just strolling, enjoying the day. Oh, the shifting is fucking crispy! Oh yeah, and this thing has also upgraded cams as well. Alright. Power band. Oh yeah. Okay, so power band is at 8,000 RPM. Anything after that, the bike just pulls you forward, bro. You can feel it. Yeah, bro, that's fuck. Yeah, everything below 8,000 RPM, yeah, you're just cruising, man. But after you hit that 8,000 point, oh, hey, yo, it's a monkey. Yeah. It's a monkey on a monkey. It's a Honda monkey. I was right. Anything after 8,000 RPM, it feels like a rocket. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. I'm actually enjoying this more than my S1000. The pops, bro. My days, man. Woo. Oh yeah, another thing I'm gonna do today as well, guys, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. My coach, shout out to her real quick. She's just pretty much giving me a new meal plan, which I'm gonna go get today. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned for that part of the video, which is after this. If you guys ever do get the opportunity, I'd highly recommend getting your asses on one of these, man. It sounds aggressive. It's the best looking 600 out there. It's fucking nuts. I'd love to own one of these, man. Like, personally, I'd like to own one myself. I'm talking as if like I'm the most ungrateful fuck. Like, I know I should be more grateful to have an S1000, because fucking so many people dream of having that bike, man. And here I am complaining about it. It's not like that, I promise you, man. It's like once you daily that thing every day, it gets really fucking boring, and anyone can tell you that my bike's the smoothest out of all the liter bikes. And that also does get boring because different people prefer different types of rides. If you do want more of an aggressive ride, definitely go for an R1. But this R6 is like no joke, bro. Like, it fucking it just jumps, man. Yeah, for sure. I need it. I'm gonna get rid of these, man. I'd get rid of these if this was mine. These big ass mirrors make it so hard to lane split. But I'm probably, bro, that's like the fourth shoe I've seen on the road today. How do you forget your shoes on the floor? Don't mind if I do. I'm gonna just slip in right here, and I'm gonna just slip in through here. Yeah, I would not get any other exhaust besides this one, man. I wouldn't even touch any other exhaust. This one's the best for performance and best tone in my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed that little review. But now I really gotta go grocery shopping because I'm running late and I got other shit to do today as well. Fusion YT's R6 guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. Now we're gonna go grocery shopping. This should be sounding like my PS4, man. Look at that, it's blowing dust. Guys, look at that, it's literally blowing the dust. Welcome to this part of the video, I guess. Pretty much I'm on my way to Coles to grab some groceries for my new meal plan. And again, big thanks to Taylor Swole. She's pretty much my coach. She's giving me workout plans, meal plans. So this is my second different meal plan I've been on. The first one, I've actually dropped a good amount of weight in, whereas now I'm kind of lean bulking. So this is the new diet. I'm pretty keen to also try kangaroo because kangaroo is part of this new meal plan as well. So I'll be cooking that and giving it a taste test. I'm sure I'll enjoy it because apparently it tastes like steak. That's what everyone's been telling me. So please let me in. Let me in. I'm pretty keen to see how this goes. I'm sure it'll go well because the first one went pretty well as well. I did lose a good amount of weight, but I didn't have enough muscle. So pretty much with this new diet, I'm hoping to still burn fat and gain a good amount of muscle. Hence why it's called a lean bulk. We'll see how this goes, and we've got to trust the process, man. All right, so we're pretty much going to Woolworths instead of Coles now. So sorry about the mistake. First step, get a trolley. Trying to find like a good placement for the camera. Fuck it, I will hold it. First thing, bagels. I've never actually had bagels before. Okay, well, I'll just show you guys what I get at the end because I need to get this done as quick as possible because I've never shopped for half of these in my life. Alright y'all, well, some bad news. Commonwealth Bank is currently down, so I can't even pay for anything at the moment. So that entire grocery shopping was for no fucking reason. So I'm gonna try to go back to the guy I left my trolley with and hopefully he can just keep it somewhere until I can come back and actually pay for it. So currently I have $0 in my first account, but the second account, which is my savings, I have all the money in and I can't even transfer from my savings over to my primary account because the whole bank system is apparently down. So yeah, sucks, but it is what it is. Alright, well, I ended up just getting a haircut waiting for Commonwealth Bank to fix itself, which it did, luckily. So the groceries are just in the back. No, I don't use any bags because fuck paying for that. So I'll see you guys at home and I'll show you more in depth of what my new meal plan is. Kangaroo meat, which I'll be trying for the first time. This is going to be our main protein source. On top of that we have our turkey slices, another protein source, eggs as well. You got your potatoes, your bagels for carbs, barramundi as well, another source of protein. So this is pretty much my weekly buy every week. This costed me $130-ish, but yeah, this is pretty much it. Hope you guys actually did enjoy this video. We did the review of the R6 and then my grocery shopping. Pretty random, but I thought let's try something new. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.